She is beauty, she is grace, she is Miss United States. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another replica unboxing for you guys. I was sent 2 bags by Casandra.net, and the second one of course is a giveaway for you guys, which I love doing. They reached out to me and let me know that their most popular bag that they do the absolute best is a Lady Dior, which I have not reviewed yet, and I'm really excited to. They are just such a pretty bag, so I'm very excited. I have never even touched one before, so yeah, let's get to it. Okay, this is like a fresh unboxing, so I don't actually know which one is which, but check out these boxes. They are amazing. I'm always so blown away by the Dior boxes that the replica brands do. So like, look at this one. There's literally like a tiger, forest, gold. It's literally beautiful. And then the other one is like this whole blue and gold like forest scene with the trees. They're just so nice. I'm gonna do the one with the panther first, or I think it's a panther. Okay. I just love that noise for some reason. I feel like the heavens are calling every time I open something. So inside we have the little authentication card and stuff in that little package. So it is packaged with the strap on the top and then some really pretty Dior tissue paper. It's very faint. I can hardly see it, but it does say Dior on it. And then down here is the bag. It's wrapped in plastic and a dust bag. Okay, so I believe this is the one that is the giveaway bag. I can kind of tell from the strap. Okay, so this is like really intensely packaged. Plastic bag, and then dust bag with the swan. So pretty. Inside, we have the cardboard protecting it. And then wrapped in plastic again, so I'm gonna go take this off. It's so pretty. What a little cutie. I know you can't see the color yet, but the shape is just so cute and like feminine, like a little handbag. I've always had my eye on a Lady Dior bag, but I never thought it was something I needed. But if they said they specialize in it, then yeah, I need it. It's covered by a layer of like that styrofoam foamy wrap, and then also a layer of tissue paper. Okay, here she is. It is so beautiful. I got it in the patent shiny color, and then the gold details are actually a very light gold, which is something I noticed on the actual Dior website, so it's something I wanted to keep an eye out for, because a lot of times if something's fake, the gold can be very yellow, but it is a very light yellow gold, which I think goes so nicely with the color of the bag. It's so pretty. Each of these have the little Christian Dior engraved into the hardware. I am just going to leave these ones for this one wrapped up. It is Dior all spelled out in the little keychains, which is so cute. It does have like a little flap inside that you just for privacy, and so things don't fall out of your bag, which is genius. So this just flaps up, and then there is stuffing in it right now, but there's some pockets on the sides of the bag as well. And then we have the strap, of course, to make it longer. Here is the strap. It is so pretty. It matches the bag, obviously. And then on the website, just like on the Dior website, you can choose what you want the little label to say. When you order it, it comes with these little charms. So just because I didn't know who the winner was gonna be, we went with something generic, and I just chose Dior with the heart. Isn't that so cute? It's so cute. Just because I think this is the giveaway bag, let's not attach that, because I would have to like unwrap everything. So I'm just gonna hold it like this. Is this not so cute? Like, oh, me and my Dior. It's so cute. Oh. Here are some side-by-side comparisons to the real. Okay, so here we have the front. And then the side. The inside. It is so beautiful. So beautiful, and I'm so excited for one of you guys to win it. I also really love that you got to choose the charms just like you do on the Dior website. So if you are looking to purchase a Lady Dior, I recommend, because it's so cute and so nice and perfect. Great describing words. Okay, so I'm gonna try to package this one up nicely, and then I'll go more into detail in the next one. Okay, so this one is the next one. Same whole situation, strap on top, bag in the bottom, and tissue paper, and the authentication stuff. I've been doing so many giveaways that I'm excited to be opening a bag that's actually going to be mine this time. So this one is the one that I chose for myself. So that one I felt was more like pale. It had gold accents. It could go with any outfit. So the winner would be able to wear it with a lot more outfits. This one I also thought was very beautiful, and I really almost wanted that one, but I thought I should do that one for the giveaway just because it is so versatile. And then this one, I didn't know if it would be everyone's cup of tea, but I loved it, so I kind of really had to get it. So this one is the matte one, which on the website, the Dior website, they just looked so beautiful, and my eye kept getting drawn back to it, so I chose this one for myself. We did the dark blue color. I never do colors, you know that. It's just really nice, and all of the hardware is blue as well, so let's open it. She is beauty, she is grace, she is Miss United States. Okay, so this is the matte Lady Dior blue. It's so pretty. Okay, so here we have a front view, side view, bottom view. Oh, there's little caps on them. Do I leave that on or take it off? Was that to protect it? I am pretty happy that I made the choice to make the giveaway the patent one, just because this one seems like a lot softer of a leather and more easily damaged. So that one you can just go wild. This one, I don't know, it's pretty soft. I'm kind of afraid I'm gonna scratch it already just by opening it. I was trying to be so gentle. I don't know, it could just be in my head. Maybe it's not actually that gentle, but it's definitely way softer. Not as practical. Here is the inside. So again, you just open the flap, and then I don't know how well you'll be able to see, but there is a zipper pocket on this back wall, and then on the inside there is a pocket flap right here. Okay, yeah, you can kind of see. The inside is also like this pretty suede feeling material. Love that. And then here is the little Dior chain thing the eye is hiding behind. I already messed it up. There you go. So cute. I'm gonna go ahead and open the strap, and then we'll put it on it. Okay, so here's the strap. It is the same blue color, obviously, with all of the matte blue hardware as well. So I did a lot of comparing to the actual Dior website when I was choosing the bags, and I thought that just like the normal ones with the gold and silver hardware, you could choose what letters you wanted on the strap. But with the blue one, I guess they don't make every single like letter and stuff in the blue color hardware. So on the Dior website as well, you don't get to choose if you're doing the matte bag. So it just comes with these little like charm kind of things. There's like a heart, a star, I don't know. But it's not personalized or anything. So I didn't have a choice with this one, but that's because you don't get the choice on the actual Dior website either. Here you can just see the little charms. Okay, let's put the strap on so we can be really cute. I don't think that's right. I suck. Tell me I just did it, Cricket. I did. Okay, took me forever to figure out, which it should not have. It was so simple, but I was struggling. Okay, so here is the strap on the bag with the little charms. I put them in the front because I usually wear my bag on this side. Oh my god, I just looked at pictures and I had to change it again, but this is finally it. I finally have it, okay? Okay, so I have this strap so that the buckle is not on the one with the Dior. So this one is front here, and then this front here, and they have to go on the outside of the straps so that the straps don't just like flop out. So this is our final product. I don't really wear things crossbody, but I'll do it for the video. I don't know. I just feel like it makes it look more casual. Actually, I've seen some girls on Instagram with it, like, you know, like front and center. Bam, here she is. It's really cute. I love this because I think you could dress it up or down, like down right now because I have it with like a sweater and bike shorts and like it's just chillin'. It has its own moment with the crossbody, but if we want to make it cute and classy, we would just remove the long strap and do like a, oh, they're so beautiful. They're like totally different. I know they're the same, but they are so different. Okay, so like I've mentioned in the past, Dior doesn't actually even have online shopping, and so they don't even list their prices online, so I can't give you the exact number that these bags are, but they're definitely in the thousands. I know that for sure. If you want the chance to win this beautiful baby, I will leave all of the information in the description down below on how you can enter. I love doing giveaways and I love seeing one of you guys win. It makes me so happy. So please go enter, tag all your friends, and good luck to all of you, honestly. So again, all the links will be in the description down below if you are looking for a Lady Dior bag or really any other brand. They have lots of brands on the website. I just thought I would give this bag a try because it's something I haven't reviewed here on the channel before. Go check out Casandra. All of the links will be in the description down below. I love you guys so much. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Push the bell notification to be notified next time I upload a new video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.